If you're looking for a platform to build, launch, and scale your startup, then this is for you. This is Sandeep Malia from 99signals.com, and in this video, I'm going to review Venturz, an ambitious all-in-one startup platform that combines website building, CRM, project management, landing pages, and even community tools all under one roof. And the best part, you can grab lifetime access to Venturz right now at AppSumo as part of their Sumo Day sale. The Sumo Day sale runs from June 8th to June 12th, and it offers a rare chance to lock in powerful startup tools without monthly fees. Just a quick heads up before we dive deeper, I'm also running a Sumo Day giveaway where one lucky winner will get lifetime access to Press Ranger, the ultimate AI-powered PR platform to help you land media coverage without hiring a PR agency. If you haven't already, be sure to watch my full Press Ranger review and tutorial to see exactly how the tool works and how it can fit into your startup's PR strategy. You can find links to the Sumo Day giveaway and the entire collection of Sumo Day deals in the description of this video. Now back to Venturz, let's see if it really lives up to the all-in-one hype. Before we jump into the tutorial, I'll quickly show you the different plans AppSumo is offering for Venturz. Right, let's quickly compare all the plans AppSumo is offering on Venturz. The basic plan is being offered for $69 and licensed TA4 is being offered for $399. So depending on your requirement, you can go with any of these plans. If you are managing multiple startups or businesses with Venturz, then you would probably want to go with a higher licensed TA plan. But if you're just managing one startup, licensed tier 1 should be enough. The contacts that you see here are the contacts that you can add to your CRM. These are the number of posts that you can have every month. These are the number of pages that you can build in your website builder, the number of campaigns you can have, the number of products you can list, and the number of tasks you can have in your project management. And when you scroll down, you'll see that you get access to all of these features. So there's no restriction in terms of features that you can use once you have access to the tool. All the different tiers that you find here on AppSumo will have access to all of these features. Now, if you were to go with Venturz outside of AppSumo, then for the paid plan, you would have to pay $29 per month. But with AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to Venturz for just $69. So if you're looking for an all-in-one startup management tool and you don't want to worry about the monthly payments, then this is the best opportunity for you to grab lifetime access to Venturz. You can find a link to the Venturz AppSumo deal in the description of this video. Now that you're aware of all the licensed tiers that are available, let's do a quick demo of Venturz. Right, I've just logged into my Venturz account and I've spent less than a day on this platform, but I'm really impressed with some of the features that they have. So let me quickly show you what you can expect when you go with this lifetime deal at AppSumo. There's a very cool video that they have. It's a 10-minute video which gives you a quick demo of the Venturz platform. It can be a little overwhelming when you're logging in for the first time. We are talking about an all-in-one tool here which basically acts as a website builder, a social media scheduler, a task management app, and email marketing app. So you are clubbing all of these features together. So it can be a little overwhelming when you're logging in for the first time. So I would advise everyone to watch this 10-minute video to just familiarize yourself with the platform. There's also a checklist on the left side which will give you a fair idea as to how you can get started with Venturz. I would advise you to go through the video first and then tweak your settings. This is the first thing that you should do after watching the video. You should tweak the settings, fill the about us information and be as comprehensive as possible. Describe your startup, upload your logo, mention the industry you belong to. You can also give your website link, but if you don't have a website, if that's something that you want to build with Venturz, then you can leave this part out. But if you're building landing pages with the landing page builder that Venturz provides you, it's best to give your website details. You can also fill out all of these answers. The reason I'm saying this is because Venturz has an inbuilt AI and it'll be using generative AI to create content for your website. So the more fleshed out this particular section is, the better output you can expect from the Venturz AI. So be as thorough as possible when you're answering these questions. And then you can move on to the branding section. You can also change the font here. If you're already using a font family, you can just enter all those details here. You can also add team members to your Venturz account. So if you're using this tool as a task management app, then it's better if you add your team members. So you can do that by going to settings and then going to team and then adding the email addresses of your team members. You can also go to live chat, and this is where you can embed a live chat to your website from Venturz. Like I said, it's an all-in-one platform, so it also provides the live chat feature. Next, you can add all the social networks. Now, if you'd like to use Venturz as a social media scheduler, then you can connect all your social accounts to Venturz. You can connect your business profiles and you can also connect your personal profile. So it's totally up to you. And if you're selling products on Venturz, then you can also enter your finance details and your tax details here. Before you even get started, it's best to tweak the settings and then jump into the different features that the platform offers. So let's quickly check the website builder. This is the website that it created for me. I didn't even have to enter a prompt. So this is a drag and drop editor, and this is something it created for me based on the settings that I had just updated. So this is how the website looks. A very basic website, but it's done a pretty good job considering that it didn't have much information to build this particular website. Now, if you'd like to have more control over the website that you're creating, then you can pick from the different templates that they offer. These are all the different templates that you will find on Venturz. There are a variety of templates. You have AI templates here. You have templates for portfolio. You have startup specific templates. You have SaaS templates. You have agency templates and different business templates. So there's a wide array of templates that you can choose from. And even if you want to create a landing page through Venturz, you can pick any of these templates and use the drag and drop builder to create your own landing page. Next up, you can upload your database. So you can just hit the create database button and then upload a CSV file. Let's say you're looking for VC funding and you have a bunch of investors that you would like to track more efficiently. You can just upload the CSV file here and manage that data more efficiently on Venturz. If you're using the products feature, then you can create your own product on Venturz. The only problem is you would need to have an active Stripe account. So you'll have to connect your Stripe account to Venturz. There's no support for PayPal yet or any of the other payment gateways. You have to use Stripe. So if you're using Stripe and if you plan to sell your own products through Venturz, you can connect your Stripe account and then start listing your products. Now, if you'd like to use Venturz as a CRM tool, then this is where you can maintain all that data. You can create new contacts manually, or you can upload a CSV file and basically use Venturz as your CRM tool. Next, if you'd like to use Venturz as your social media scheduler, then you need to go to community, and this is where you can create and manage all your posts. In the settings, if you've mentioned all your social media accounts, if you've connected all your social media accounts, then you can post and schedule content right here. So it depends on the number of social media accounts that you have connected to Venturz. Based on that, you can post and schedule content to different channels, and you can manage all your social media content from the community section. Finally, if you would like to use Venturz as a project management app like Trello or Asana, you need to go to the task section, and this is where you can create a task and start assigning the task to different team members, and then keep a tab on all the tasks from one place. So that was just a quick demo of Venturz. Like I said, I've spent less than a day on the platform, but I'm quite impressed with the different features that the tool has to offer. If you found the tool interesting, then you can grab lifetime access to Venturz for just $69. If you're just managing one startup, then I think license tier 1 should suffice. You can find a link to the Venturz AppSumo deal in the description of this video. You can also find a link to the entire collection of Sumo Day deals right there in the description, alongside the Sumo Day giveaway that I'm running. So be sure to check out all the links that are featured in the description. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll be back very soon with a new video.